next question would be, what in your opinion are the key strengths or competencies that a BA should have? Like what soft skills he or she should have, what technical skills he or she should have. So any idea about this? Any idea based on your experience?
Yeah, as the name suggests, you say business analyst, so analytical skills is very important. It's like most probably the common sense. I think it's required for project management and this BA thing. I think which most human being have, right? And other than that, the main problem, as I said earlier, that understanding the business problem or understanding the opportunity. Sometimes there is a business problem which BA can address, and most of the time there are opportunities which can arise from the problem as well. So you can, propose more things and create more opportunity. So good BA, can do this. And the other thing that you can only become good BA if you have good, grip on the processes. You can work with any industry. It's not particular to any industry or specific to any industry. Once if you have grip on like this BA skills, you can join the industry and you can learn that particular domain like in 6 months or maybe in 1 year. You can take my example, you can take your example, since I have worked with multiple industries, different domains like core banking, middleware switch, courier industry, ATM industry, it's hardware, software. So it's a mix of these things. So you can, bound yourself, you cannot bound yourself to software on specific industry. Just learn, processes and try to map those processes with the domain. So this is the thing. So once you learn the processes and then you can, implement those processes, you can implement that. And other than that, strong communication skills and skills is must, it's important. This is the way you can convey with your stakeholder. You can communicate with your stakeholders. You can understand a stakeholder, then you can respond to stakeholder, then you can document things and you can get their approval. So this is the way, one of the, you can say key art of the BA. So, and be team player is important, if you are working with a team. So it's not a particular to BA, every member should be a team player, so you can gel. But for BA, it's very important because BA is involved in each and every phase, as we discussed earlier. So that's why he needs to be a very good team player and he can gel with everyone. So, so
Yep,
these are some of the skills
absolutely
which I
right.
have listed down. Yeah.
Absolutely right, Adam. I truly agree with you. And we have a comment from Shahan as well, and it is a very interesting and true comment. Like Pakistan software houses thinks BAs are unnecessary expense, and this is absolutely right. And that's why this community is trying to build up that and change that perception within the organization in Pakistan. Our community managers and our engagement managers will be going and meeting with the heads or there within the organizations or with the academia as well. So they will be highlighting the importance of BA, and inshallah, hopefully we will get there once there will be a day in which they will identify like, yeah, we need a BA within our organization, and this will reduce our cost, not increase it. Yeah. So absolutely
Exactly.
right, Shan, absolutely right.
Yeah,
So
just
yeah,
just to add that if the requirement is clear at the earlier stage of the project and later on you will not face the issue, so you will be saving the cost. At later stage of the project, the new requirement arises, so it will cost almost more than double. So it's a common sense. I think every organization should understand, and they should involve BA in every project, I must say.
yeah, and this is a very comment from Maqsood as well. He linked this understanding with the CMMI level. So yes, you are right. Like in Pakistan, the majority of the organizations or software houses are not even CMMI level 0. They haven't considered themselves. Plus, when there is a small software house, they do not need a BA there. But we are talking about medium to large level of organizations in which the role of BA is there, and especially if they are working with international customers. International customers always demand for a BA because they understand like this is the BA's job to understand our business and then turn those business requirements into a solution for them. Yeah. So
Yeah,
absolutely right. Yeah.
just to add, Shazib, what small company does that they hire a guy like with the title of project manager, and they hand over all the activities to him or her, and that way, project got failed. So because project manager has a different role, B has different role. So for safe cutting, for cost cutting, they usually follow this strategy, but this is not the right thing to do. As you rightly said, a large organization has a particular role for each member, and for BA they have a they have multiple roles, not in you can say only BA, but they have in every phase they have different roles for the BAs.
Correct. Absolutely correct. So as per the survey results, if you can see, like we were discussing about the skill sets or the competencies that a BA should have. So as per the survey, the one of the major competency is about communication skills. So we need to improve this the soft skills. If you're talking about soft skills, so we need to increase the communication skills plus the creative thinking here in Pakistan in order to compete with the BAs outside the world as well. And then there are some hard skills as well, in which customer experience, design thinking, agile mindset, change management. So all these things we need to learn in order to compete with the international market, and we need to build these competencies within Pakistan.